Think sunscreen is only for sunny days or beach trips? Think again. Skipping SPF could be the biggest mistake in your skincare routine. Welcome to Glow Rituals. Glow naturally, one step at a time. UV rays are present 365 days a year, even on cloudy days, even through windows. Without protection, your skin is aging faster than it should. Sunscreen is your ultimate anti-aging product. It prevents pigmentation, fine lines, dullness, and protects your skin barrier. I don't go out much. My makeup has SPF. I forget. Sound familiar? These habits are quietly sabotaging your skin goals. Here's the fix. Make sunscreen your non-negotiable. Choose a lightweight, broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if needed. If you want to keep your glow, don't skip the sunscreen. Your future skin will thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more glow rituals. See you on the next video.